when I tell you it's a great experience. Now we're at another place where we're what they call here? Their Goat Island. It's not real Goat Island, it's just their island. So babe, how you liking the trip so far?
It's crazy. Like I recommend anybody to do it. It's different than anything else. Very different.
Sorry about the audio, guys. I'm working on the audio. Actually ordered some new mics and stuff like that, so heading in there. You ready? Mom? Yes. You ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay. Go on, ladies. We'll see who I got bus when we reach up at the top. See where I go? You know. Oi. Oi.